Bit of the old Route 66 here. Now I'm looking out for snakes because I was busy filming it. I think it might have been a cottonmouth that spat at me. He wasn't a happy bunny, and I've never leapt so high. Jim was wanting to drive up here, but you know, fortunately he saw a bit of sense. Yeah, I'm pleased we didn't drive up here, Jim. Hey, look at it. There you have. What about this bit? Well, go on then. Bring the car around. Bring the car around to the other end. I'll film you coming up. The words. Do you want me to explain the word slow when it says drive slow?
Well, you could explain it, but it's going to go right into the
yeah,
right
fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah. I say, Jim, that was very lucky that we came out of there when we did with this dashed rain. Were the knockoffs okay?
Knockoffs were great.
Brilliant.
Tight as a tick.
So
You got to get going fast so we can fly on.
yeah, so we get the rain. That's
Got to
true.
prove the rain theory.
Yeah, but you don't drive fast.
I don't drive fast.
Oh, you don't know. You're sedate.
Not me. I'm very sedate. I'm an extremely sedate driver.